What's up, y'all? In this video, I'm going to show you 3 super chill ways to sign out of Apple Music on your iPhone. So let's jump right in. First way, sign out from media and purchases. Go ahead and open up your settings app, then tap your name right up top. Scroll down a bit and hit media and purchases. Now tap on sign out. You're going to see a pop-up saying this will sign you out of Apple services like the App Store, Apple Music, and Apple TV. Just hit sign out again to lock it in. Now open the Music app. Boom, you're signed out. Second way, remove your iPhone from your Apple account. Head back to Settings and tap your name again. Tap on Media and Purchases, then hit View Account. If it asks, use Face ID or type in your Apple ID password. Scroll down and tap Remove this device. This will basically unlink your iPhone from Apple's auto downloads and synced stuff. Open up the Music app and, yup, you're out of there. If you're running into issues, try signing out of your Apple ID first. Heads up though, sometimes you gotta wait up to 90 days to hook your device up to a different account. Third way, cut off Apple Music from third-party apps. Back in Settings, tap your name at the top one more time. Go to Media and Purchases, then tap View Account. Scroll till you see Apple Music under Account Access. Tap Edit, then remove any apps that are hooked up to Apple Music. Tap Done to wrap it up. That shuts down any third-party apps from messing with your Apple Music account. And there you go, 3 super easy ways to sign out of Apple Music on your iPhone. If this helped you out, toss it a like, share it with your crew, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more laid-back tech tips.